Alright, this is the inside video of the garage door and opener. The garage door opener is a Chamberlain half horsepower, and the reason the light is on is I actually just closed the door recently. It'll go off in about 5 minutes, but I don't want to wait that long. So usually when you open the door or close it, the light comes on for about 5 minutes. And it's got a daylight CFL bulb in there right now. But here's info about the garage door opener and everything there is to know about it. Yeah, I don't know if it's focusing well. But my dad bought this garage door opener, I believe it was in 2008 or 2009. But there was a different door there before compared to what you see now. And you can go back to a previous video that I did and that'll actually be the door. And actually, now that I am inside, the door itself, I don't know if there's a brand on it somewhere or not. Just warning labels down there. On a garage door opener also comes with a sensor. There's one right there. Another one over here. And that has to be there in order for the door opener to work by law. Oh, we got something here. Alright, with that being said, let's get another shot at the door and then we will go ahead and open it. There she be. And to open the door from the inside, all I do is push this button right here. Here we go. There it is, open, and now I'm going to go ahead and close it down. And there you have it. New garage door on my dad's garage that he put in about 4 or 5 years ago because the other door somehow got busted. I don't know the full story on what happened with it, but this particular garage door opener was really not made to lift the previous door since the door was heavy. I'm surprised it survived a few years at least. Anyway, with that being said, that's it for now.